In this demonstration, you'll learn how to create selection sets for your AIM study. Selection sets save time by allowing you to collect and combine objects, such as faces or bodies, in the graphics display so that you can use them more efficiently. Here, we already have a geometry loaded into an AIM study. The geometry represents a flow volume from a pipe. Currently, we're in the physics solution task. I can create selection sets practically any time, regardless of my current task. In the graphics display, I'll select the faces that I wish to define as the selection set, holding down the Control key to select multiple objects. In this case, I'm selecting the faces that represent the symmetry surface of the flow volume. Applying a selection set for these surfaces will be convenient when I later assign boundary conditions or when I later view the results. To create the selection set, I'll right-click in the graphics window and use the context menu to add the selection set. These multiple geometric entities are now assigned to a single named selection set. I can add more geometric entities, or I can replace the current selection using the location field's Add and Replace buttons. I'll rename the selection set by replacing the default title with a more meaningful name, for example, Pipe Symmetry. I now have a named selection set that is available as another location, which I can use in this task and in subsequent tasks. The named selection set will be available in other corresponding property drop-down menus in the downstream tasks of my simulation, and I'll be able to choose the selection set. For example, if I go to the physics solution page and add a symmetry boundary condition, I'll now see the selection set in the location drop-down menu. Likewise, if I go to the results task and define a location for a contour, for example, the named selection set and boundaries are available from the drop-down menu. If I later decide that I want my current selection to be a selection set, then I can also use the location drop-down menu to create and assign the selection set in a single step. This concludes this demonstration of creating and using selection sets in AIM.